Me! Hi guys, it's me, Camilla Diano. And today, I'm gonna show you how to hack someone in, what the heck? Okay, wait. Okay, so, I'm gonna show you how to hack someone, and I'm gonna try to speed this up, cause I'm hungry as AF, yeah. So find the person you want, and I'm gonna put someone I've been trying to hack, because she's been hacking a lot of people, and no one ever caught her. No one knew her name and stuff like that. But I hope she gets banned, so I'm gonna hack her myself. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how to. Don't worry. We're friends. Yeah. But you have to be friends with her. Wow. Okay, so who cares? Now, all you have to do is highlight her, their username. Right click and click inspect. And then go here. Then go here. Click on that a lot of times, I guess. And then put 1, 2, 3 O's. It could be A's or B's if you want. And then they're gonna send you their password. A bot is gonna log on to their account and send you their password. And I'm waiting for that. Wow, she's wow. Okay, I'm gonna set the page. Boom, boom. Okay, I got a. Okay, yeah, I think the bots went on her account. Oh, that's my friend. Oh, yeah. So copy and paste their password. Well, I remember it, so I don't have to do that. Wait, is it? You know what? I don't care. And then I prefer clicking sign up when you're trying to log out and stuff like that. So go back. I've been trying to hack her myself, so you might say her name. Oh wait, it's okay. There she is, and her sister is. It's just a mere 1. Now you're gonna go and put their password. Then it's supposed to work. Wait. Did I do this wrong? And then it's supposed to work. There we go. And now you're on the person's account. That's back in the days when I used to say fam. Like, I'm fam. And he's not anymore. Because well, he is still my favorite, but he's not my first one anymore. So, that's how you hack someone. You could have this account if you want. Ah! Hey! Hey, is that how you hack someone too? Let's see. Let's see. My friend in real life. She has 2 accounts, though. Yeah. Boom. And then, boom. Then. Her friends are ugly. No, I'm joking. And then, that is scary. Wait, she stole some stuff from my inventory. I had that and she did it. And I had those glasses. She did. And okay. She just stole the face. You're ugly anyways. No, I'm joking. I would never say that to my friend. Well, that's how you hack someone. I hope this works for you. If you want, and if this doesn't work, I guess, give me, your username, and then, yeah, just comment the username, and comment your username and the username you wanna hack, and and if this doesn't work for you, I'll try to hack it, and once I get the account, I'll tell you the account password. So and bye. Goodbye. I got a perfect outro. Oh.